Hi everyone. Today our topic is arithmetic progression. See, arithmetic progression NCRT textbook 10th class 5th chapter. సో ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రోగ్రెషన్ సిరీస్లో అది అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో ఉంది అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ a plus d a plus 2d that up to last n term. So an form a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is this formation? What is a plus d, a plus 2d? For example, some numbers are there in a series 2, 5, 8, 11, so and so numbers. These numbers are in arithmetic progression. How we are giving conclusion these numbers are in arithmetic progression? Between these two numbers, between any two consecutive number difference is 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 3 is 3. So here common difference is same. అంటే ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిరీస్లో గ్రోత్ అనేది ఉంది. ఆ గ్రోత్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఈక్వల్గా ఉంది ప్రతిసారి. 2 + 3 5, 5 + 3 8, 8 + 3 11. వెన్ ద కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ బిట్వీన్ ఎనీ టూ కన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్స్, అంటే పక్క పక్కన ఉండే టూ నెంబర్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటే దట్ సిరీస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ arithmetic progression. So here important terms in arithmetic progression series. First word is first term in that series. So what is the first term in that series? That is a. So this first term, all the terms are denoted by t or a. If you take t1, t2, t3 or a1, a2, a3, a4 like that. So here I am taking first term a1, that is denoted by a. Next term, common difference. What is that common difference? Common difference is denoted by d. So in the previous problem, here the common difference is 3. Now standard form of an arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d like that. So like nth term formation an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Where from this one came? See here, first number, that is a. To this number we are adding that common difference one time. Second term, this is first term, this is second term. Second term we are adding d one time. For the third term we are adding d plus d. D plus d means a plus 2d. Like that. For the fourth term we are adding d 4 times. 3 times. So a plus 3d. Like that. For the fourth term we are getting 3d. And 4 ki 3d was like that. N ki, then n ki you will get a plus n minus 1 times d. A plus n minus 1 into d. So that is the standard form of arithmetic progression. And an value, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So these terms are important. First term, common difference, and nth term. So ఈ 3 terms basics. Next topic లోకి వెళ్తే, in particular series he gave 5, 10, 15, 20 dashes. What is the 15th term in this series? This is the first term, second term, third, fourth. What will be the 15th term? So to find that, if you write general form 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45, 40, 45, 50, 55 like that. Now 15th term వచ్చేంత వరకు రాస్తే it will take much time. So use that formula, nth term formula. So which term we want? We want 15th term. So A15 is equals to A. What is the first term here? A is equals to 10. Next, what is the common difference? What is the common difference between any two? Common difference, that is 5. D is equals to 5. Use that A for AN formula. A15 is equals to A value 5 plus n minus 1. We want how many terms? 15 terms. So 15 minus 1 into D. D value how much here? So D value 5. So 5 plus 15 minus 1 into 5. 5 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 5. So 14 5 is 70. 70 plus 5, 75. అంటే ఈ సిరీస్ ఇలాగే నువ్వు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకుంటే ఎంత 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 60 65 70 75. 75 is the 15th term of this series. These are the model problems. So 5.1 in your NCERT textbook 10th class portion, that 5.1 exercise. So complete 5.1 exercise problems one by one. I will give clarity on that. Exercise 5.1 in your textbook, exercise 5.1. So problem wise, first in your textbook, see that 5.1 first bit problems. Here he gives some problems in word problems, situation problems, and which of them in AP. 5.1 first bit we have 3 problems. The 3 problems, are they in AP or not? Are they in AP or not? To find that, first see them. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for the additional kilometer. So for the first kilometer, A is equals to 5 for each additional kilometer. So that taxi fare each kilometer for the the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer. Sorry, 15 for the first kilometer. For the next consecutive number of kilometers, D, that is 8. It means A1, that is first one 15. Next A2 is equal to 15 plus 8 rupees. Auto charge ela unnada for the first kilometer 15 rupees. So next second, third kilometers ki veltunte 15 plus 8 here 23. Next for the third kilometer 15 plus 2 times 8 rupees. So 15 plus 16 31. So they are in arithmetic progression. How they are in arithmetic progression? Here A is equals to 15 and a common simple. A is equals to 15. Common difference is 8. That's why they are in AP. Like that, remaining problems also we need to verify whether they are in AP or not. Whether they are in AP or not. That is the first bit. Now coming to second bit. Simple. Write first 4 terms. Second bit. Write the first 4 terms. He gave A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. He is asking that find the first 4 terms in this series. First 4 terms in this. అంటే ఇక్కడ A ఇచ్చాడు D ఇచ్చాడు. First 4 terms find them. We know that A1 is equal to A, A2 is equals to A plus D, A3 is equals to A plus 2D, A4 is equals to A plus 3D. So A is equals to 10 first term, second term A plus D 10 plus 10 20 second term, A plus 2D 10 plus 2 into 10, so 10 plus 20 30. Next fourth term A plus 3D 3 into 10, 10 plus 30 40. So the first 4 terms, hence first 4 terms of given AP is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. So first four terms of given AP 10, 20, 30, 40. Next model, this is the second bit. All the problems are same model, just finding the first four terms. So second bit remaining, all total in second bit 5 problems are there, all of them same model. Next third bit. What is the third bit? For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Simple one. He is asking first find out the first term and common difference. 3 minus 1, sorry, 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. Here he is asking find the first term. Simple first term A1. This one only first term. A1, A is equals to 3. Common difference. Difference between any two consecutive numbers. So A2 minus A1. Common difference. Always we are calculating A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A2. So here A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Find here in the both the cases. 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. Here minus 1 minus this one. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So here the common difference is 2. Third bit model problems are very important and easy problems. Simple. How we are finding the common difference? Common difference finding is important in this. And the first term A is equals to 3. By looking we are able to give answer. So all the third bit problems are same. Coming to fourth bit. Which of the following are APs? If they are from AP, then find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay. Yes. Fourth bit problems. Whether they are in AP or not. First problem he gave 2, 4, 8, 16 dash. Are they in AP or not? So to find that, first we need to verify that common difference need to be equal in all the cases. So A2 minus A1. What is that A2? 4. A1 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Next coming to A3 minus A2. First term A1, second term A2, third term A3 like that. So A3 minus A2. What is the third term? 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So here the common differences are not equal. When the common differences are not equal, they are not in AP. So the first one is not in AP. No need to find the next 3 terms. If they are in arithmetic progression, we need to find the common difference. Second one, next 3 terms. So first of all, ఇది arithmetic progression లోనే లేదు. సో అలాంటప్పుడు next 3 terms find చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Now next problem. See next problem in this only. See here second problem 2 5 by 2 2 5 by 2 3 7 by 2. That is simple children. First some of them in fraction, some of them in rational numbers. So convert them to 5 by 2 value 2.5, 3 7 by 2 value 3.5. That is. So now find the common difference. D is equals to 2.5 minus 2 is equals to 2.5 minus 2 is equals to 0.5. Next term. This is A2 minus A1. Now A3 minus A1. A3 is 3. A2 is 2.5. 3 minus 2.5 is equals to again 0.5. So here the common difference is same. A2 minus A1 common difference is equals to A3 minus A2. So common difference is same in both the cases. Therefore they are in, hence they are in AP. Now next 3 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next three terms, A5 is equals to A5 is equal to simply A4 plus D. Is it possible? Simply A4 plus D. So the A4 value 3.5 plus 0.5, that is 4. A5 value, A6 value, A5 plus D. A7 value, A6 plus D. Just add that common difference to the previous term. Add the common difference to the previous term. Then we will get next three terms. 3.5 after 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, dash dash. So next three terms, that is the concept. Fourth problem concept. Next fifth problem. Fifth problem in this bit. Fifth problem in this bit. Okay, total in fourth bit 15 problems given. 15 problems given. So one more problem I will explain that model problems. See that 12th problem. 12th one, see that 12th one. So కొంచెం different గా ఉన్న explain చేస్తా. 2, root 8, root 18, yes, 32 dash dash. Are they in AP? Root 2, 8, 18, 32 dash dashes. They are in AP or not? ఇవి AP లో ఉన్నాయా లేదా చూడాలి. For that, first one is root 2. Second one, are we able to convert it into simply form? This 8 I am writing into 4 into 2. Next this 18, 9 into 2. This 32, 16 into 2. Now root 2, 4 root 2 value. This root 4 value, that is 2. So 2 root 2. This 9 root 9 value, 3 root 2. Root 16 value, 4 root 2. So that is this. Now verification. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 2 root 2. A1 is root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 times root 2 minus root 2. Root 2. Next A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 2. So same here also root 2. So here the common difference is same. Root 2, root 2. Next terms. So 4 root after 5 root 2. 5 root 2. So this 5 root 2, if you want to write in this format, again if you take this 5 2 inside, it will become 25 into 2, that is root 50. Next 6 root 2, 36 into 2, 72. Next 7 root 2, 49 into 2, so root 98. Root 98. So next terms, root 15, root 72, root 98. Like that, we will get the next values. So these many problems are there. 5.1 low 4 bit. 5.1 low we have 4 bits. In that 4 for different models. First one, given word problems, are they arithmetic progression or not? Second bit, just finding the first term and common difference. And third bit, second bit is finding the next 4 terms. In the 5.1 we have 4 bits. 5.1 లో 4 bits ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ బిట్ లో ఇచ్చిన సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏపీకి రిలేటెడ్ ఉందా లేదా. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫైండింగ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ 4 terms. అండ్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫైండింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అండ్ ద కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం Fourth problem, if they are in arithmetic progression, find the next three terms and common difference. Fourth problem, given problems arithmetic progression లో ఉన్నాయా లేదా తెలుసుకొని కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ చేసి రిమైనింగ్ త్రీ మోర్ టర్మ్స్ ని ఫైండ్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద 5.1 problem. Next 5.2, coming to 5.2. 5.2 exercise 5.2. Coming to exercise 5.2, first bit is he gave a value, d value, n value. Now he is asking a n value. In the beginning I explained that how we will find the nth term. A n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. ఈ పర్టికులర్ బిట్లో 5.1 ఫస్ట్ బిట్ 5.2 ఫస్ట్ బిట్ a d n values given and is asking find that a n value. So simple, a n is the nth term. అంటే ఒక సిరీస్ ను ఇలా రాసాం 10 20 30 40. ఇది ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్. హియర్ n వాల్యూ 1, హియర్ n వాల్యూ 2, హియర్ n వాల్యూ 3, n వాల్యూ 4. ఈ సిరీస్ లో 555th టర్మ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ ఫిఫ్త్ సిక్స్త్ అలా రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే 555th టర్మ్ ఏది వస్తుంది నెంబర్. దట్ నెంబర్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ నెంబర్? సో ఫైండ్ దట్. హియర్ a is equals to 10. Common difference, every time 10 increasing. d is equals to 10 and number of terms he is asking. ఎన్ని terms కావాలి? 555 term is asking. Okay, a is equals to 10, d is equals to also 10, n is equals to 555th term. So a 555th term, what is that? 10 a plus n minus 1. n means 555 minus 1 into d value 10. So 10 plus 555 minus 1, 554 into 10. So 10 plus 554 into 10, 5540 plus 10, 5550. సో ఆ సిరీస్ ను అలాగే 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 అని రాసుకుంటూ పోతే 555th టర్మ్ ఏదవుతుంది? 5550. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద an related formula. When a value, d value, n value given, finding that an formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a given, n given, d given, he is asking find an value. మరి కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో an ఇస్తాడు, d ఫైండ్ చేయమంటాడు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ he will give an value 3.6. in particular fourth problem, an value in first bit fourth problem, an value 3.6. next a value 18.9 and d value 2.5. he is asking how many terms are there in that series. an value 3.6 వచ్చింది ఇచ్చాడు, a value 18.9, d value 2.5 ఇచ్చాడు. he is asking find the number of terms, n value is asking. So an value 3.6, direct in the formula I am writing an value 3.6, a value minus 18.9 plus n minus, we don't know n value, n minus 1 into d value 2.5. So మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ కావాలి. ఫర్ దట్ సో minus 18.9 ని ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే 3.6 plus 18.9 is equals to, why we are not taking this one first? Why? Because according to the Bodemas rules, first నెగిటివ్లు పాజిటివ్లు ఉన్నవి బయట తీసుకొస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ గ్రూప్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఇండివిజువల్ టర్మ్. సో ఇండివిజువల్ టర్మ్ అటు కౌంట్ n minus 1 into 2.5. So 3.6 plus 18.9, 3.6 plus 18.9, 22.5. 5. 22.5 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now n, we want n minus 1 value only. So this 2.5, what is the relation between n minus 1 into 2.5? Into, if you take that one to the other side, it will become division. So 22.5 by 2.5 value, ones are the value of n minus 1 here, 22.5 by 2.5, 2.5 ones are 2.5 nines are, so here 9. N minus 1 value, n minus 1 is equals to 9, n is equals to, this minus 1 will become plus 1, so n is equals to 10. Number of terms n is equals to 10. an 3.6, a minus 18.9 and d 2.5. In that series, how many terms are there? 10 terms are there. That is 5.2 first bit related problems. So a ichi, d ichi, n ichi, a and find diameter. Some models, see, in this bit he gave a value, d value, n value. Now he is asking a n value. In some other problems, a, d, a n, find the n value. In some other problem, d gave, n gave, a n gave, he is asking a value. So different model problems will be there, and n given, a given, n given, a n also given, is asking d value. So any three terms value he will give, he will ask next fourth term, that is a 5.2 first bit model. 5.2 first bit model. Next 5.2 second bit. Choose the correct choice in the following. So choose the correct choice in the following means 30th term of that AP. So here he gave one AP 10 4 dash dash dash, and he is asking 30th term in that. Simple. A is equals to 10, d is equals to 7 minus 10 is equals to minus 3, second term minus first term, and 30th term, it means n is equals to 30th. So a30 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equals to 10, n minus 1, 30 minus 1, d into minus 3. So 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29. 29 into minus 3. 29 into minus 3, minus 60 and 87. 10 minus 87. So 10 minus 87 is equals to minus 77. What is that option in the given three options? One is 97, 77, minus 77. So option C is the correct one. Option C, minus 77. Option C, minus C is the correct one. Next, fourth problem. Sorry, third problem. Second one completed. Third problem. In the third bit, in the following APs, find the missing term. So set 2 given, next term not given, and the last term, that is 26 given. He is asking find the second term. Actually, see here, first term a1 is equals to 2, second term a2 is equals to a plus b, third term a plus 2d. First term a is equals to 2 given, a plus 2d is equals to 36 given. So first we need to find the d value, then we are able to find the a plus d. I am substituting this a value, a is equals to 2, that value I am substituting in third one. A is equals to 2 plus 2d is equals to 26. 2d is equals to 26 minus 2, 24. And d is equals to 24 by 2, 12. D is equals to 12. Second term, a2 is equals to a plus b. A value 2 and d value 12. So A2 is equals to 14. A2 is equals to 14. Next, third bit remaining problems also same model. With the help of given number, find out the missing numbers. With the help of given numbers, find out the missing numbers. See, in third bit some other problems he gave more than 2-3 terms missing. More than 2-3 terms not given. So find out that all the terms, whatever terms not given. For example, fifth problem. Observe that fifth problem, important one. First term not given, second term 38 given, third term not given, fourth term not given, fifth term also not given. Again sixth term minus 22 given. Here first term A not there, D not there, any terms not given, directly he gave sixth term minus 22. How we will find? Here A1 not given, A1 not given, A is equals to not given, A2 given, A2 what is that A2? A plus D is equals to 38, A3 also not given, A plus 2D not given, A4 A plus 3D not given, A5 A plus 4D not given. Finally, A6 given, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A6 given, A plus 5D is equals to minus 22 given. So A1 not given, A2 given. That A2 considered as first equation, A6 considered as second equation. From equation 1, A is equals to A plus D is equals to 38. So then A is equals to 38 minus D. A is equals to 38 minus D. So this A value substitute in second equation. This is third equation. So equation 3 substitute in equation 2. In the place of A, I am writing 38 minus D. 38 minus D is plus 5D is equals to minus 22. So 38 minus D plus 5D plus 4D is equals to minus 22. So 4D is equals to minus 22. This plus 38 will become minus 38. So minus 22 minus 38 minus 60. 4D is equals to minus 60. Then D is equals to minus 60 by 4. So D is equals to minus 15. So the common difference is minus 15. But here we got only D value. We need A value. To find the A value, what is A? A is equals to 38 minus D, minus of minus 15. 38 minus and minus plus 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15. So 53. A is equals to 53. A is equals to 53. That is the first term. A is equals to 53. First term. A is equal to 53. We got A plus 2D. 53 value came. Next A plus 2D. A value 53 plus 2 into D value. Okay, one by one. Where is this space? Here I am finding third term. A value 53 plus 2D, 2 into minus 15. So 53 plus, sorry, minus 53, 15 into 2, 30. Minus 30, that is equals to 23. So here 23. Next term, 53 plus 3 into minus 15, 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 45, that is equals to 7. 7. Sorry, 8. 53 minus 45, that is 8. Last one here 23, here 8. Last A5. 53 minus 60. 53 minus 60, that is minus 7. The last one minus 7. This is the 5.2. 5.2 third bit fifth problem. Third bit fifth problem. Next up, fourth problem. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, dash 78. Fourth problem. In this series, first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18, dash 78 is which term of this AP? Ante last an is equals to 78 given. First a is equals to 3 given. Common difference 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Then he is asking an also given. He is asking number of terms. So n అనేది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది an value an plus n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is 78. A is equals to 3 plus n minus 1, d value 5. 78 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, 75 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. N minus 1 is equals to 75 by 5, that is equals to 15. N minus 1 is equals to 15. Therefore n is equals to 15 plus 1, 16. Observe the steps carefully. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value 78 given. A value 3. N minus n value not given, so that's why a minus n minus 1 as is into d value 5. Next 78 is plus 3 I am taking to this side. 78 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 5 as is. Finally 78 minus 3, 75. 75 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. Now I want n values. For that n minus 1 is equals to extra this 5 I am taking to the other side. 75 by 5. Why? Because relation between them, multiplication relation is there. N minus 1 is equals to 75 by 5. N minus 1 is equals to 15. N is equals to 15 plus 1, 16. That is the fourth problem. Next fifth problem. Same, find the number of terms in the following APs. Same as fourth one. First term given, common difference we need to find, and last term an also given. Same, fifth problem, a given. Common difference we are able to find that. An also given. He is asking n. Fifth bit is asking n value. Next sixth bit. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. Sixth problem. Check whether the given problem is sixth problem. Check whether minus 150 is the given AP term or not. For that, first take a is equals to given numbers 11, 8, 5, 2. Consider a is equals to 11. Common difference is 3. That is minus 3. 8 minus 11 is equals to minus 3. So an value, if an is minus 150 belongs to that AP, then we need to find the n number of terms. An value minus 150 is equals to a value 11 into n minus 1, n value not given, n minus 1 into minus 3. So 150 minus this plus 11 will become minus 11, n minus 1 into minus 3. Now 150 minus 11, 161, 161, n minus 1 into minus 3. Next n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 by this minus 3. Minus minus cancel, but this is not divisible. 161 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, n value will come in fractions. N value will come in fraction. But number of terms always natural number, that is not rational number. So that's why 150 is not belongs to that particular AP. Here that n value coming in fractions. Never the number of terms comes in fractions. That's why 150 is not belongs to that particular AP. 150 is not belong. Minus 150 is not belong to that AP. Seventh problem. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Simple. 11th term A11 is equals to A plus 10D 38. 16th term A16 is equals to A plus 15D 73. Equation 1 and equation 2. If you add the two equations or subtract the two equations, we will get minus A plus A cancel, plus D plus 10D minus 15D minus 5D is equal to 38 minus 73. 38 minus 73. Then we will get minus 35. Minus 35. Then D is equals to minus 35 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel, 5 7. D is equals to 7. Substitute the D value in the first one. A plus 10D is equals to 38. A plus D value we got 7. A is equals to 38 minus 70 minus 32. The first term is minus 32. Here we got A value and D value. AN. Which term is asking? A31st term is asking. A31st is equals to minus 32 plus n minus 1. 31st minus 1 into D value 7. So minus 32 into 31 minus 1 30. 30 into 7 210. Minus 32 plus 210. Minus 32 plus 210 is equal to 178. So the required A31 term. A31 is equal to 178. A31 is equal to 178. For that, first given A11 is equals to A plus 10D is equals to 38. A16 is equals to A plus 15D is equals to 73. And solve the two equations by elimination method in a pair of linear equations. By the elimination method. So I eliminated that A. These model problems are there in third chapter. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Algebraic method. Finding the variables values. Okay. Now, seventh problem completed. Eighth problem. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Simple, same as the seventh one. Last term A50 is equals to 106 given. Third term Clearly mentioned 50 terms are there. 50 terms, last terms means A50. And third term A3. 50 term A plus 49D, A plus 2D. And next is asking A29. A29 means A plus 28D. So from these two, solve these two equations, find the A value and D value. Next, substitute that A and D value in this A29. That's it. That is the 8th problem. Next, 9th problem. If the third term and 9th term of AP 4 and minus 8 same as 8th one, third term, and this is the 8th problem. Next, 9th problem. In 9th problem, he gave third and 9th term. Third term A3, A plus 2D, and 9th term A9. A9 means A plus 8D. What is the value of A3? A3 is equals to 4 given. A9 is equals to minus 8 given. A9 is equals to minus 8 given. Then which term of this AP is 0? Which term of AP is 0? So here consider AN is equals to 0. When that AN, number of which term is that? So here AN value take as 0. Next, A value. First from these two find the A and D value. I am subtracting. Minus into minus plus. A plus A minus A cancel. Plus 2D minus 8D minus 6D is equals to 12. And D is equals to 12 by minus 6. Therefore, minus 2 is the common difference. Minus 2 is the common difference. Then A is equals to A plus 2D is equals to 4. A plus D 2 into minus 2. So A is equals to 4 plus 4. How 4 plus 4? 2 into 2. 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 will come. If you take this minus 4 to other side, it will become plus 4. Plus 4. 4 plus 4. 8. So A is equals to 8. Common difference is minus 2. And AN. That AN is 0. We need to find N value. 0 is equals to 8 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 2. Next, N minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to this 8 I am taking to other side. 0 minus 8 minus 8. 0 minus 8 minus 8. Next, N minus 1 into minus 2 is there. If you take this one to other side, it will become by 2 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 the 2 4. N minus 1 is equals to 4. Then N is equals to 4 plus 1 5. Fifth term of that AB is 0. So general form. See that general form. First term is 8. Common difference is minus 2. So minus 2 means 8 minus 2 6. 6 minus 2 4. 4 minus 2 2. 2 minus 2 0. Which term is that 0? First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So fifth term is 0. That term only we got here. Fifth term is 0. Next term. Next problem. 10th one. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. Okay. By 7. Find the common difference. See here. 17th term, that A17, that is 10 more than A10. 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. It means A17 minus A10 is equals to 7. A17 minus A10 is equals to 7. So what is the A17th term actually? A17 means A plus 16D and A plus 9D is equals to 7. Now A minus A cancel. 16 minus 9D. 16D minus 9D. 16d minus 9d, that is 7. So 16d minus 9d, 7d. 7d is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. And the common difference is 1. So here is asking only common difference. That's it. Simple. 17th term, 7 exceeds 10th term. It means 17th term is equal to a10 plus 7. So a17 minus a10 is equal to 7. A17th formation, a plus 16d. A10th formation, a plus 9d. So a17 minus a10 is equal to 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. 7d is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. Common difference in 10th term. Next, 11th problem. Which terms of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So first, find out the 54th term. How we will find the 54th term? Simple. Given A is equal to 3, D is equal to 15 and N is equal to 54. Then first find out the 54th term. Find out the 54th term. Next, 132 more than that 54th term. So add 132 that 54th term. Then you will get one number. From that number is the which term of that AP. So consider that one as AN. From that find out N value. N value. First time AN value, that N is equal to, take N as 54. A54 is equal to A54 is equal to, you will get some value. Add 130 to that value, then you will get 65th term is that is the 65th term. The answer is 65th term. So 11th one is that. Next, 12th one. Here, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So, difference between them 100th term, same as this one. A 100 minus